मसला नहीं है अभी जाऊँगा मसले क्या हुआ हेलो बोले कि ये निकाल वैसे मलिक मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ थोड़ी क्यों मार के नहीं मैंने चुपकाया नहीं है अभी चुपका लेके आओ
participated entirely within this poster competition. Now this is the thing that actually I wanted to show to all our guests and our faculty members and all the students, or we can say the individuals that have came here from different departments, that you can clearly see that there is no any student who is basically having this sort of that he might be looking you fatigue or lethargic, that he cannot participate within the event. You can clearly see that each and every student has participated in that event. So the nutshell is that the student is actually something who just need the spark. If the student is provided with that spark from anyone, whether it is me, whether it is anyone else, if that student is provided with that spark, then he may prove to the world that what he is. And here you can clearly see that we have organized a poster competition, which is something that the science and arts, which are science and art are connected with each other, and this is something which we are basically presenting in poster competition. So for example, our pharmacy students, when it comes to the art, when they connect the pharmacy or science with the art, I think then they can do anything which is basically required to prove themselves that they are the best. So in the end, I would just like to tell you that the Imperial Pharmaceutical Society is nothing but it is all about to provide that spark to the student, so that the student can get the platform and can prove themselves that whether they are how much of the potential they are enriched with. Thank you so much. Acha, one more thing, that now there is a little bit modification in the schedule. I would like to announce this with huge pleasure, that all the students, all the participants which are participating in poster event, they must be present around their poster, because we are basically now starting our review segment. In that review segment, we will ask our distinguished judges to evaluate each and everyone's poster and then to mark accordingly, and after this review segment we will be providing them refreshment. So for review segment, the jury members that we are having for pharmaceutical chemistry department is Dr. Madan Lal and Madam Yasmin, Dr. Yasmin Qureshi.
I will request Mr. Shok, please be on the stage. Sir Obed, I would request Sir Obed to be on the stage, sir, please.
Fourth year, second position, from evening batch. Hamad.
राहूं रद्द करे सोई रहनुमा वत इज़्ज़ मंतशा वत ज़िल्ल मंतशा। फर्स्ट ईयर फोर्थ ईयर की फर्स्ट पोजीशन जाती है लविशा केवलानी गुरु।
Final year, third position from evening batch, Prakriti Group. Final year, second position. Any guesses? Second position goes to Albina.
जिगर अरे अच्छो दे आलो अरे बुद्ध